Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows is my personal experience with using Stealth.net. Stealth.net offers a unique approach to online privacy and security. The service distinguishes itself by providing anonymous offshore email accounts, along with a suite of privacy-focused tools. These include features designed to enhance anonymity and protect your digital footprint. A key aspect of Stealth.net's appeal is its emphasis on avoiding data retention. They claim to retain minimal user data, which can be a significant advantage for individuals concerned about their online privacy. One of the primary services offered is their anonymous email accounts, designed to be accessed through a secure webmail interface. This interface is intended to be straightforward and user-friendly, allowing even those less technically inclined to easily navigate and manage their communications. Stealth.net also provides encrypted email functionality, further enhancing the security and confidentiality of your messages. This encryption helps protect your sensitive information from prying eyes. Beyond email, Stealth.net boasts additional features that contribute to a comprehensive privacy solution. These include secure file storage and encrypted chat services. The secure file storage allows you to keep important documents and files safe from unauthorized access. Meanwhile, the encrypted chat facilitates private conversations with contacts, safeguarding your communications from surveillance. Another important feature offered by Stealth.net is their anonymous domain registration. This allows users to register domain names without revealing their personal information, adding another layer of anonymity to their online presence. This is a particularly useful feature for those who value their privacy and want to maintain a degree of separation between their online activities and their real-world identity. It's worth noting that while Stealth.net emphasizes privacy and security, users should always be aware of the inherent risks associated with online activity. No service can guarantee absolute anonymity, and users should take precautions to protect themselves. This includes being mindful of the information they share online and practicing good security habits. Finally, understanding the legal and jurisdictional limitations of any online service is crucial. Users should familiarize themselves with Stealth.net's terms of service and privacy policy to ensure they understand how their data is handled. Researching the applicable laws and regulations in the jurisdiction where the service operates can also be beneficial.